Right, we discussed about the processors, we discussed about the software also. And I said that free software is good for, you can buy that for less cost. But when the machine is coming with paid software, the cost will be higher than the free software, right? Okay, so next thing is so other than this, okay, some students are asking me, sir, we want to buy a computer. So what kind of computer you recommend us? Is it Dell or is it HP or is it Apple? So likewise, they are asking me questions. For general usage, I can recommend you Windows. Even though I'm a fan of Apple, I'm using Apple, I can still recommend you Windows, because when you want to work with some software, especially which are there in your syllabus, so most recommended is Windows, because then you can easily install those software. Otherwise, if you are using Apple, so sometimes it's difficult to install some software which are mentioned in your book in future, right? Because if you are learning this for a long time, it's a bit difficult, but it's not that much difficult. You can anyhow install that. Either you can use a virtual machine and install that. But Apple computers are basically built for so specific purpose. So this is good. This why I bought this Apple computer, because this is lightweight. That is the first reason I bought that. මුල්ම හේතුව මම මේක ගන්න මේකේ බර අඩුයි. මේ කිලෝ දෙකක් වගේ පොඩි බරක් තියෙනවා. ඇඟිලි දෙකකින් වගේ උස්සන්න පුළුවන්. ඒ හින්දා තමයි මම මේක ගන්න ප්‍රධාන හේතුව. මොකද I wanted to travel from country to country sometime. I want to travel from branch to branch. When I was working in my previous company, I want to travel from branch to branch, maybe some country to country, time to time. දෙක එක වෙලාවට travel කරන්න ඕන වෙනකොට the easiest way is using a lightweight laptop. That's why I bought this. But so when I wanted to do the classes in the evening, I have converted that to a flexible solution. Still I can install, I have installed Microsoft Word and I have installed related software, and still I can do the classes, right? M1, so you have to check that, right? M1 chip, so M1 chip is really famous in this industry. The Apple ගැන ඒගොල්ලෝ අහන්නේ ලනිදු මම හිතන්නේ M1 chip එක ගොඩක් famous. M1 chip එක Intel chip එක වගේ නෙවෙයි. ඒක ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ introduction එකක් හින්දා ඒගොල්ලෝ හිතනවා මේක ටිකක් performance වැඩි කියලා හිතනවා. But I'm using Intel chip, but that is better. I have to check that. Actually, after checking only I can recommend. So, but so people are telling that that is faster, right? People are telling, and some reviews I see that that is faster. We have to use that. Okay, then. So what are the other facts? Then මගෙන් එහෙම කවුරුහරි අහුවොත් මම දෙන උත්තරේ තමයි. So please think about non-technical things also. දැන් එකම price එකකට computers දෙකක් තියෙනවා. මගෙන් අහනවා, හරි sir මේ 1.20ට තියෙනවා නැත්නම් 80කට තියෙනවා. HP එකකුත් තියෙනවා. Dell එකකුත් තියෙනවා. කෝකද හොඳ? HP ද හොඳ? Dell ද හොඳ? එතකොට මම කියනවා පුතේ එහෙම කියන්න බෑ. Computer performance සමාන නම් then look at the warranty. Performance සමානයි කියන computers දෙකේම RAM එකයි VGA එකයි. Then you have to check at VGA, RAM, processors are equal. Then look at the other properties, non-technical features. What is the manufacturer warranty? The company warranty. Company එකෙන් දෙන warranty. Maybe Intel will give you 1 year warranty, but Intel will offer you extended warranty also. That is what. So Intel with Intel 1 year warranty is default, but you can pay some extra dollars and get extended warranty. That is also something good. The company එකෙන් දෙනවා අවුරුද්දක warranty period එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ කැඩුනොත් replace කරන්න හරි මොන හරි කරලා දෙනවා යා. ඊට අමතරව ඔයාට පුළුවන් තව $150ක් ගෙවලා නැත්නම් රුපියල් 30000ක් 20000ක් විතර ගෙවලා extended warranty එකක් ගන්න. තව අවුරුද්දකට වගකීමක් වැඩිපුර ගන්න. So that is also better. So if you can pay extra and buy extra warranty, that is also, in Sri Lanka this is not popular option, right? But some countries are using that. So they want to extend their warranty and they are paying some extra money for that. Okay, on-site warranty is actually the part warranty or the service warranty. So this is given by the technical people who sell the parts, actually who maintain the computer. So let's say Apple, you buy from, example, you buy Apple computer from Abans. Apple will give you 1 year warranty. That is Apple warranty. Apple will give you extended warranty for 2 years if we can pay $150 to Apple. So that is the extended warranty. Abans will also provide a service warranty of 3 years. That is the service warranty. එතකොට අබාන්ස්ලා මේක සේවාවක් අපිට කරලා දෙන්න හදලා දෙන්න බාර ගන්නවා අවුරුදු 3ක් ඇතුළත. ඊට පස්සේ යාලා බාර ගන්න. ඒක තමයි සර්විස් වොරන්ටි එක කියන්නේ. හැබැයි සර්විස් වොරන්ටි එකේදී ඔයාලා පාර්ට් වලට ගෙවන්න ඕන. සමහර වෙලාවට පාර්ට් වලට වොරන්ටි එක තියෙනවා නම් රීප්ලේස් කරලා දෙනවා නැත්නම් පාර්ට්ස් වලට බොහෝ දුරට ගෙවන්න ඕන. අලුත් පාර්ට්ස් දානකොට හැබැයි ඒගොල්ලෝ ඒක කරලා දෙනවා. සර්විස් ෆී එකක් ගන්නෙ නැහැ. So they are doing that. Okay, that is those are the warranties. Then warranties උත් සමානයි. Then you have to look at the price. So whatever worth for the money, you have to look into that. සමහරට මෙහෙම computers දෙකක් තියෙනවා. So let's say one computer is Dell, it's having 4 GB RAM. So another computer is there that is HP having 8 GB RAM. You need 8 GB in Dell. So what you can do? You can request that from the merchant, the seller. අපිට දැන් laptop එකක් ගන්නකොට ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලන්න මේ features සමහරට ඔයගොල්ලෝ බලන්න නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. computer එකක් ගන්නකොට අපි ගියාම කඩේ කෙනා කියනවා computer එක 4 GB තමයි තියෙන්නේ කියලා. ඉතින් ඔයාලට අහන්න පුළුවන් can I update this to 8 GB? මට මේක 8 GB කරලා දෙන්න පුළුවන්ද? What is the money that what is the amount I should pay? Then he will give some other suggestion. So that is possible, right? When you're buying, it is possible to customize. It is possible to pay some extra money and get an update. Maybe hard disk is 1 TB. You can ask, can I get this with the 2 TB hard disk, 2 terabyte hard disk? Then you have to pay something extra. Okay, so that is also possible. Price can be negotiated and customized based on the part. The price of the computer is rather high, high speed processor. You can see this. So when price is getting high, when speed is high, when monitor is large, when the computer is having more memory, the price is high, less memory, price is low. When computers inclusive capacity is high, then or hard disk capacity is high, then again the price is high. These are the factors affecting price. So you can request with more memory, but it's more money. You can request with more processing power, again more money. More capacity, more money. So larger monitor, more money. So that is the nature.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay, service after sale is also important. You have to check the reputation of the company. Why? Are they a well-known, reputed company? So that is also something people look into. So earlier days, like this was really popular, people were buying computers from Singer. The reason was, so they trust their service. Singer service එක ගැන තියෙන සතුට හින්දා මිනිස්සු මුලින්ම කාලේ laptops ගොඩක් ගත්ත Singer එකේ. මම දන්නේ නැහැ දැන් කොහොමද කියලා. Now I don't know the situation, but the laptops bought are not really good in performance. The performance of the laptops were low. Performance are doing, but people used to go that place thinking about after sales, their service. Since they're happy with the service, they used to buy the machines. But unfortunately, their machine performance was a bit lower, and so it soon became unpopular among the crowd. A performance are doing popular. Okay, so then so we learn about this also, universal serial bus port. So one of the most popular port these days. You have to look how many USB ports are there in your computer. That is one major thing that you have to look into. At least go for a machine with 2 or 3 USBs, at least, right? Minimum. One USB is a risky one. Why? One USB is a risky choice. Because if that USB is down, you will miss many things. එක USB එකයි තියෙන්නේ. ඒ USB එක වැඩ කරන්නේ නැතුව ගියොත් ඔයාට service ගොඩක් නැති වෙන්න පුළුවන්. Because USB can be used to connect anything. ඒ හින්දා USB port කීයක් තියෙනවද කියලා බලන්න. How many USBs are there in your computer? Can you count and tell me? In my one, unfortunately,
I have 3 USB ports.
Unfortunately, I have 2. That is so bad. But still, okay. I'm using this
3 ports, sir.
3 ports.
3 ports.
10 ports, sir.
10. Wow. I think it's a desktop, right?
Yes, sir.
In desktop, you have many. So that is the flexibility of desktop, right? Like desktops are always flexible. Then මගේ එකේ තියෙන 2යි. So unlucky වුණොත් මට මේ ඔක්කොම නැති වෙනවා. හැබැයි වෙලාවට ඉතින් Apple වල එහෙම ලොකු අවුලක් ඇවිල්ලා නැහැ. අවුරුදු 5ක් දැම්ම මේක පාවිච්චි කරනවා, no issue. So only issue that I got is the battery. Battery I had to replace. So cost of the battery was around 30,000, 40,000, closer to 40,000. Battery cost was 40,000. The replacement cost was 5,000, but I didn't pay that. I got the battery and shipped it to my home, and I actually have done the change. I installed the battery by myself. මොකද battery එක මාරු කරලා දෙන්න විතරක් 5000ක් ගන්නවා service එක.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So is it efficient we make a computer by taking parts, or we buy a
Yes.
new made computer?
Yes. Rather than buying a complete set, it is always good to build a machine. But you have to select compatible parts. ගැලපෙන parts එක තෝරාගත්තේ නැත්නම් ඒත් අවුල්. හරි parts තෝරලා ඔයාලට ගන්න පුළුවන් නම් compatible parts, so you will build a definitely a very good machine. Assembling is one of the best methods, because මමත් දැන් මේ දවස්වල බැලුවා අර මේ graphic editing වලට computer එකක්. එතකොට ඒක සල්ලි වලට ගන්නව නම් සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ලක්ෂ 3.5ක් 4ක් විතර වෙන්න පුළුවන්. හැබැයි assemble කරොත් 2.5කට විතර හදා ගන්න පුළුවන්. You're saving money. You're saving, and you know about the parts also. You have part warranty. The parts වලට වෙනම warranty එකක් එනවා. හින්දා බය වෙන්න දෙයක් නෑ. හැබැයි හරි parts තෝරා ගන්න. So that is the challenge. Yes. Okay, network port. This is also available in laptops, mostly in desktops. So this is used to connect wired network. Router එකට wire වලින් connect කරන්න තමයි මේක ගන්න. Switch වලට, routers වලට wire එකකින් connect කරගන්න පුළුවන්. So this is faster than Wi-Fi, right? If you have network port, yes, that is better because it is faster than Wi-Fi. All-in-one assembly කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can we assemble all-in-one? Yes, possible, but that is a bit difficult, right? All-in-one වලට ගැලපෙන parts parts හොයාගන්න එක තමයි ප්‍රශ්නේ. Possible to assemble, but normally the parts are very rare. So that's the thing.
So are there computers with fiber optic ports?
Direct fiber optic ports have not seen, have not searched even. So the thing is, you can search Google, and I also can search Google and tell you the results. So same thing. Mama search karat kamane, wa search karat kamane. Mama search karla ne. Very good question. You can just search. Okay. Then Bluetooth and Wi-Fi facilities. Typically, you have the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi facilities in laptops, right? But you can add that to desktops also. How? Because you have Bluetooth adapters, Bluetooth dongles or adapters. This will cost only like to add Bluetooth to your computer, you have to spend only 300-400 rupees. රුපියල් 300යි 400යි මේ වගේ දෙයක් කරගන්න යන. Bluetooth adapter එකක් ගැහුවම ඔයාගේ desktop එකටත් Bluetooth එනවා. laptop එකේ Bluetooth නැත්නම් Bluetooth adapter එකක් ගන්න. It will only cost you 400 rupees, 500 rupees maximum. By doing that, you can add Bluetooth to your computer. ඒ වගේම Wi-Fi ඒ වගේ Wi-Fi නැත්නම් computer එකේ buy Wi-Fi adapter. Buy Wi-Fi adapter. So buy Wi-Fi adapter. Wi-Fi adapter also the same thing. The cost will be less than 1,000 rupees. By doing that,
So is Wi-Fi 6 used in Sri Lanka?
Wi-Fi 6, not sure. So the thing is the routers. You can add that, but the thing is the routers, with the routers and all support. So with the, is there compatible units? So that is coming with 5G, right? Basically, 5G is there in the testing level.
From Wi-Fi adapter, we can share hotspot.
Okay, sorry. Yes. Can you repeat the question?
From
So
Wi-Fi
what is a
adapter, can we do hotspot?
Sorry, I'm not sure what the question that you're asking. Can you repeat the question again? Couldn't.
From Wi-Fi adapter, can we data hotspot?
You want to give that hotspot facility using
Yes, sir.
Wi-Fi? Is that you're asking? Then you have to use Wingle. So there are wingers. Wingers can share Wi-Fi. Wingers, so not normal dongles. Wingers can share 4G as Wi-Fi facility. Right? I think this is the one. This is the one that you are asking, right? Is this or different question?
Yes, sir. That is the question.
Okay. Okay. So then now we know about the specifications of the computer. Basically, what is there? What are the features to look into? Right? So technical, non-technical sides. So based on that, you can find out and build your machine. You can configure your machine. You have to know about
Excuse
your
me, sir.
computer. Yes.
So what is the difference between a Unix-based operating system and something like Windows?
Unix based operating system and Windows. Unix or Linux?
No, sir, Unix-based operating system.
Unix is commercial operating system. That is similar to Linux, but Unix is not Linux. That is a different operating system. That is a commercial operating system, right? Unix coming for basically for servers, and Windows coming for servers and clients both. Unix is basically coming for the commercial servers. Linux is alternative for Unix, but Linux is not Unix. So therefore, Linux has registered something called under GNU. GNU
Sir,
license.
so macOS also uses something like Unix, right?
Sorry,
So does macOS also use something like
it is
Unix-based
yes,
operating
Nix
system?
base. We call Nix base. Unix, Linux, mix base, Nix base. But he actually Linux is registered under GNU. GNU is not Unix. GNU means GNU is not Unix. So Apple is also Nix based OS. Nix කියලා අපි කියන්නේ සාමාන්‍ය Unix කියන්නේ මොන නැහැ. Nix based OS කියලා කියන්නේ. Because it having the features of Linux, having the features of Unix. Unix and Linux basically look same. So the commands and the outer look and the kernel or the engine of the operating system looks same, similar, but not born from the same family.
So if we are
Brothers
doing
from different
hacking,
mothers. Again,
excuse me, sir.
yes.
So if we are doing hacking, macOS better than Windows, right?
Yes, macOS is having like it's secure and it's having this Linux commands mostly, and Linux tools are also supported by but my recommendation is if you can use Kali or something, then macOS, that is also very good because that is having some tools. Okay, Kali is a Linux version. Right, now we have come to the end of the lesson. We discuss about the specification, technically, non-technically, what is need to be checked and what is not. Right. So then next day, my plan is to move to the electronic spreadsheet part. In the revision, I'll discuss about that. So, but you know, grade 9 lessons, it will take some more time, maybe 2 days to revise one chapter. That is the nature. But notes, if you need, please request me, please send me a message saying I need note, I need PDF, then I can send you the PDF, because giving notes is not possible in the revision class because we are in the fast track. We have to finish this within 1.5 months or maximum within 2 months, because we have to go to the next grade, grade 11, sorry, grade 10. Then see you all next day. Yes, quickly ask.
Sir, if we want the notes, should we drop a message to you?
Yeah, please drop a message in the WhatsApp. Either
Okay,
me,
sir.
myself, or Chatrika will attend that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then good night. See you all next week.
Good night, sir.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir.
Um,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,